Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show pictures, give examples, and correct mistakes. Now, what if a machine could learn in a similar way, only 1,000,000 times faster? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're answering a big question. How does AI actually learn from data? Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll see why data is the true fuel for intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence isn't born smart. It earns its intelligence one piece of data at a time. Think of it like sculpting. Every chip of marble shapes the final statue. In AI's case, those chips are data points, millions of them. From voice assistants that understand your questions to cars that navigate traffic, AI learns by consuming and refining this data. But how does this learning actually happen? Let's uncover the process. When we say AI learns, we mean it identifies patterns in data and uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions. Think of it like this. If a model sees thousands of photos of cats and dogs, it learns the subtle differences, the shape of ears, the length of whiskers, so it can recognize them in new images. This process usually happens through machine learning, where algorithms adjust themselves to minimize errors. The more examples they see, the better they get. And then there's deep learning, a branch of AI that uses neural networks with many layers, similar to how neurons work in our brains, to analyze complex data like images, audio, or text. There are several ways artificial intelligence learns from data, and each one works a little differently, but they all share the same goal: to help the system make better decisions over time. The first and most common approach is called supervised learning. In this method, the AI is trained with examples that already include the correct answers. Imagine you're teaching a child what a cat is. You show a picture and say, "This is a cat." Then you show a dog and say, "This is a dog." The AI does the same thing, but with thousands or even millions of examples. It keeps adjusting its internal settings until it can predict the correct answer for new data with high accuracy. The second type is unsupervised learning. This is like giving the AI a huge box of puzzle pieces without showing it what the final picture looks like. It has to figure out the patterns on its own. Maybe it notices that some pieces share similar colors or shapes and starts grouping them together. In the same way, the AI groups similar data points into clusters. For example, an e-commerce platform might discover that customers who buy hiking boots also tend to buy water bottles, even if no one labeled the data beforehand. Next, we have self-supervised learning, one of the biggest trends in AI today. In this approach, the AI creates its own labels from raw data, instead of relying on humans to label every example. For instance, a language model might take a sentence, hide a few words, and then try to guess the missing ones. By doing this millions of times, it learns the structure and meaning of language. This technique powers many of the advanced chatbots and voice assistants you see today. Finally, there's reinforcement learning, which works almost like training a dog using rewards and penalties. The AI makes a decision, gets feedback in the form of a reward or score, and then adjusts its strategy over time. The more it tries, the better it gets. This is the method behind self-driving cars and AI systems that master complex games like chess or Go. All of these learning methods show us one important thing. The way AI learns can vary depending on the problem. But in every case, it needs examples, patterns, and feedback to get smarter over time. Here's the catch. AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Poor or biased data can lead to poor or biased decisions. That's why the latest trend in AI isn't just about building smarter algorithms, it's about focusing on better data. This movement is called data-centric AI, where the priority is clean, diverse, and accurate datasets. Looking ahead, AI will learn faster, with fewer examples, and even incorporate human values into its decision-making. From self-supervised methods to advanced reinforcement learning, the goal is to make AI not just powerful, but responsible and aligned with our needs. So, the next time you hear someone say, AI is smart, remember, its real superpower comes from data. Feed it the right data, and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.